Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and if you've tried to pair Jabra Bluetooth earbuds and you've been unsuccessful, this is probably why. Within this video, I'm going to explain step by step how to pair Jabra Bluetooth earbuds with any sort of device. I paired it with an iPhone. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is remove both of the earbuds from the device. And then after you do, and I'm not going to do it within this video because I've already paired them, but see this top part right here, that's a button, and that top part right there is a button. On both of these earbuds, you're going to press and hold that button until at least one of the earbuds starts to flash blue. And the blue is probably going to be kind of over where the R is, kind of towards the top right corner, looking at it from there. Once both earbuds or at least one of the two earbuds is flashing blue, then you can go into your device. If it's an iPhone or an Android or a computer for that matter, go into Bluetooth, and you should see something by the name of Jabra trying to pair. And then pair that, and at that point, your earbuds should be paired. So I hope this video helps. This was quite a confusing process, and I do have an extensive background in technology and security and several other things. So I kind of felt dumb not being able to decipher how to pair these. But once I figured it out, that's how I did it. I hope this video helped. If it did, not required, but deeply appreciated if you choose to do so. You can look down below this video and there's that thanks button. You can click the thanks button and choose to send me a super thanks. And not required, but deeply appreciated. And that will be awesome. So thanks for your viewership. Hope this helped. This is how to pair Jabra Bluetooth earbuds with an iPhone or other device. Thanks for your viewership. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.